Hi everyone, welcome to the batch upload invoice module. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to upload your AR aging into the system and basically how to upload invoices in batch. So similar to other upload modules, basically you're going to go to the upload invoices module and just basically follow the steps that are laid out here. So you'll download the template, fill the template in with data, following these instructions, and basically upload the data into your system. You're going to be wanting to use this module whenever you're carrying balances over for customers, either from an old system or if you're starting from scratch and you want to preserve your AR aging. So this is typically how you want to do that. One thing I do want to mention before performing this upload is you want to make sure you select your correct offset account. So an invoice is going to debit your accounts receivable, and it's also going to credit an account of your choice. So that account can be selected if you go to your app config, and if you go to your accounting section here and just select your miscellaneous charge income account. So make sure you select that, and while you're at it, you might as well select your expense account too. So this will be used for uploading bills as well. So typically, if during the onboarding process, when you're bringing the books over, you'll want to select some sort of suspense or opening balance equity account. So I've selected that over here. And now that that's selected, let's go back to the upload invoices module. And let me go ahead and just download the template. I'll show you what that looks like, the blank template. And so the blank template is basically you're going to want to enter your sales store code and your store code. So these two codes typically go hand in hand, and you want to go to the store center in the system to see what your codes are. So any invoices that get generated in batch, they'll get associated with these stores or inventory sets. You can put in your transaction date here. This is important for your preserving your aging and exchange rate. So this will be something that's not one. Typically, if you have foreign customers, you can put in a reference number, any memo information if you like. And you want to make sure that you have your customer name exactly the way it is in Xoro. So if you're off by a space or if you have a couple extra characters, it's not going to pick it up. So you want to make sure it's exactly the way it is in Xoro. So let me go through the sample template that I have. So this sample template, I already have it filled out. I've intentionally actually made an error on one of the customers here. So I've added an extra character, and when I try to upload it, it's actually going to warn me about that. It's not going to let any of these invoices go through. So let's go ahead, let's try to upload that. Click verify and upload. And let's go upload invoices. So it's going to say that none of the records made it through because there was one error basically. So let me go ahead, download the file, click on this, and let's see what the error said. It says no customer exists with this name. So I knew that. I intentionally made it incorrect. So let me just correct this customer so that it matches exactly the way it is in the system. And let's go ahead, let's try it again. Click upload invoices, and now all three have gone through.